Best deals.
1. Cheese cutter. Features non-slip foot pads to ensure a more stable operation. With a 20% thicker aluminum alloy body, it's corrosion resistant and more durable. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Slicer. Perfect for meal prep, quickly cutting baby potatoes and Brussels sprouts into quarters. Cutter tool divides grapes into bite-sized snacks for children or prepares cherry tomatoes and olives to top your salads. Simplify your fruit preparation with this handy kitchen gadget. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spiralizer. Attach the vegetable, turn the handle, and the perfectly spiralized noodles will emerge. You can make nutritious and delicious curly chips, zoodles, spaghetti squash, vegetable noodles, and the blades are made from heavy-duty stainless steel for a long lifespan and anti-rust. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Food whipper. Product can be used for both hot and cold applications. Create fresh whipped cream you control the ingredients of, or specialized espumers and flavored foams. Product has a stainless steel bottle and head. Both are dishwasher safe and sturdy enough to hold up to professional kitchens. It's crafted from food grade material. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Batter dispenser. Tool is a fun way for families to bond and create delicious treats together. It's lightweight and easy to use, so kids can join in the baking and learn new skills. The valve at the bottom of our pancake and waffle mix dispenser opens fully, allowing consistent dispensing and perfectly measured pour every single time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cutting board. Comes with 3 containers made of silicone so it can be collapsed to save space. Containers also have clip-on, seal-tight lids so you can safely store food. Containers are microwavable and dishwasher safe. After you chop the veggies, slide it into the large opening. Food falls directly into the tray, leaving your countertop mess-free. Collapsible containers with seal-tight lids, sturdy graters and made of 100% organic bamboo. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tea bag tongs. The round tea bag squeezer adopts high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and sturdy, not easy to rust and deform. Non-toxic and eco-friendly, can be used for a long time. The stainless steel tea bag strainer adopts long ergonomic handles. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Trivets for hot pots. The storage basket in the set can be used as a key bowl in addition to daily storage of these heat pads. Keep small items inside. Remove surface stains by wiping with a damp cloth. Can be washed in a washing machine. The mat can be well integrated into all kinds of scenes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Potato ricer. Turn rotating stainless steel disc clockwise to easily to change puree consistency to fine, medium or coarse. Fine setting perfect for fluffy mashed potatoes and gnocchi. Medium setting ideal for spätzle. Coarse setting great for chunky applesauce. Grooved pot rest allows ricer to sit on bowls and pots. Brushed stainless steel with soft, comfortable non-slip grips. Rotate disc to arrow icon and remove for easy cleaning. Top rack dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Trash bag. They are designed to be leak-proof and highly resistant to tears and punctures, so you can rely on them for heavy-duty tasks without worrying about any mess. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cherry pitters. Expertly designed to remove cores from various fruits like red dates, dried jujubes, cherries. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Slicer. The blade of this apple slicer and core is made of stainless steel, and the handle is made of comfortable plastic. Long service life and easy to use. Fruit slicer includes 3 slices and a secure base, as well as a fruit peeler and cleaning brush. The apple cutter has 8 sharp blades, which can be easily obtained by gripping and pressing down with both hands, in accordance with ergonomics. Suitable for various round vegetables and fruits. The apple core's effect is an unimaginable surprise. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spiral cutter. The handle is simple and convenient to use, the cutting roll is convenient and comfortable, and it is easy to use. The drill bit is in a spiral shape, which can quickly enter the interior of fruits and vegetables to be fixed, which is convenient for curling flowers. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bowl covers. These practical food covers accommodate bowls, pans and plates. These bowl covers are reusable. Wash with warm, soapy water. Made of BPA-free plastic. Food grade and food safe. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Strainer. The tea infuser with charm adopts a fine mesh design, with mesh distributed evenly and closely, which facilitates fine filtering naturally. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Plate for gas stove. The heat diffuser is designed to provide even heat distribution, allowing for easily cooking on an uncontrollable stove. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Chopper. Made of food-grade material, especially the blades are made of good quality stainless steel, which is sharp and rust-resistant. Keep your ingredients safe and healthy. You can easily press the vegetable cutter just a few times to cut your ingredients. Sharp blades make chopping, mincing, dicing and grinding faster and easier. Reduce the food prep time. The blades of our food chopper are sharp enough to cut most of common kitchen ingredients. It's perfect for making vegetable or fruit salad, cutting tomatoes, onions, garlic, herbs for soups, pesto, hummus, salsa, guacamole, and more. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Strainer. The filter is made of high-quality silicone, tear-resistant, and can be emptied upside down, making cleaning up residue easy. The sink filter combines water storage, filtration and odor isolation. The filter basket can easily filter kitchen waste without obstructing the water flow, which can easily capture food, crumbs and prevent kitchen pipes from clogging. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cheese cutter. You can adjust the thickness of different sizes according to your needs, whether it is thin or thick. The plastic feet at the bottom are non-slip, increase the stability of the cheese cutter, and also avoid scratching the countertop and table. Natural marble handmade cheese slicer prevents moisture, grease and odor from penetrating, has a long service life and is not easy to stick, so there is no need to worry about difficult or messy cleaning. The wire is fully effective through the cheese and into the grooves below, so you can last for years, and the marble handle allows you to make gourmet treats while still remaining elegant. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Ice shaver. High-quality blades in this crushed ice maker will never rust and sharp blades are durable for long-term use. More precision-cut blades can shave ice cubes much more faster and efficiently and can be easily operated, easy to use, easy to clean, easy to carry and easy to store. Portable manual hand crank operation design helps you get shaved ice, snow cones for funny drinks even outdoors without electricity. Product link is given in the 20th link. Thanks for watching.